Hello, Brent Zimmerman here, Midlands Home Inspections, performing a home inspection out here in Omaha. Pretty typical 40-year-old house. I do want to point out they added the bathroom down here. They added the bathroom. They also got the old electrical panel down here in the bathroom itself, which is not ideal. Obviously, moisture and electricity does not mix very well. Also come here in that nice little shower. You notice this little bump out right here. And as you come over the other side here, that's where your main electrical conduit is running, behind the shower tile. Right over here, back over to the electrical panel. So definitely not recommended. As you know, electricity and water don't mix very well. We get a little high humidity and stuff in here from the showers. We can start getting some issues with that electrical panel. So definitely will be recommending an electrician to come in here and further evaluate, make sure everything's in good shape there. They probably will recommend moving the panel, but unfortunately we can't control that. Brent Zimmerman, Midlands Home Inspections, looking for you.